Chasing the night, understanding an English idiom. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, chasing the night. This idiom may not be commonly used, but it's a wonderful example of how English can paint vivid pictures with just a few words. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Chasing the night is an idiomatic expression in English. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. In this case, chasing suggests pursuing something, and the night represents the time after the sun has set. However, when combined, this phrase doesn't just mean running after the darkness. It actually conveys the idea of seeking out nightlife, adventure, or excitement that happens during the night hours. It's often used to describe a lifestyle or activities that are vibrant, lively, and sometimes unconventional. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase. 1. In a literal sense, after a week of hard work, they were looking forward to chasing the night in the city's bustling clubs. 2. Metaphorically, he's always chasing the night, seeking new experiences and adventures wherever he goes. These examples show that the phrase can be used both literally and metaphorically to describe someone's actions or lifestyle. Understanding the nuances of chasing the night is crucial. This phrase often carries a connotation of excitement and a bit of recklessness. It's typically used in a positive or admiring way, but depending on the context, it can also imply a sense of escapism or avoidance of the responsibilities of daylight hours. It's important to consider the context in which you use this idiom. Chasing the night is a vivid and expressive idiom in the English language that captures the essence of seeking adventure and excitement during the night. It's a great example of how English can use a few simple words to convey complex ideas and emotions. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, exploring idioms like this one can add color and depth to your language skills. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.